This is the first version of my yes/no button. But what exactly is a yes/no button? Watch.
For 20 bucks.
Hand it no! Whoa, $20 bucks! You can buy a yes/no button!
Yeah, yes/no button. That thing sounds good.
Please, Bingo! Oh, here it is. Look, Bingo. You push this.
Yes.
And if you push this one.
No.
After watching an episode, my daughter requests this button. After a thorough search, I only found one seller on Etsy who handmade it for $37, excluding shipping and batteries. Considering the cost, I decided to make my own button. The Etsy button was based on a Thingiverse post where the buttons are also printed. For the first button, I used buttons from another project and 3 CR batteries to achieve 4.5 volts. Unfortunately, these batteries drain quickly for some reason. So I switched to using rechargeable batteries, 801 module, buttons, connectors, an on-off switch, a soldering iron, and a USB cable for the charger. While waiting for the boards to arrive from China, I prepared the audio files. To record from your computer, you need to download the free Audacity software. I will post a link in the description. For the audio input, you should select Audio Mix. If it is not enabled, you need to enable it. After recording, export the files as MP3.
Yes.
And then connect your board to the PC to transfer the files. The menu may be in Chinese, but this shouldn't pose a problem. Go to the second tab to upload. Select the files. You can select more than one file by holding the Control key on the keyboard, and then go back to the first tab to upload them. Then connect everything as shown in this soldering diagram. After completing the soldering, I began creating the charger cable using a USB cable and a rectangular connector, typically used for connecting fans to PC motherboards or small speakers. I then placed everything into the 3D printed case I designed. I will also post a link for that in the description. The order of installation was the speakers first, followed by the battery, and then the sound module. Since it's possible, we play with different kinds of sound files.
Yes! Yes! No!
So there you have it, a yes/no button that also can be recharged.